Even though I think that the incentive systems and technology behind Bitcoin as peer-to-peer electronic cash are exceptionally cool, I recognize that not everybody is going to be equally enthusiastic about those aspects of the digital currency. There is one thing about Bitcoin that I'm confident everyone can get excited about, though. It has the potential to save us all a significant amount of money. The main way it will do this is by allowing us to bypass parasitic middlemen, like credit card companies. Now, a knee-jerk reaction to that claim might be, hold on, I get 2% cash back with my credit card. It saves me money. But credit card companies often charge the merchants who accept their cards 4% or more of the transfer. That extra cost for the merchant is passed on to the consumer in the form of higher prices. Not only does that mean that your 2% cash back is canceled out, it means that if you're paying with cash, you're really paying for everyone else's cash back. With payment processing companies out of the equation, replaced by electronic cash, merchants will be able to charge less for their goods while still making bigger profits, and everybody wins. Except the credit card companies. They lose. Similarly, hundreds of billions of dollars in remittances are sent each year via established banking systems. Many of those remittances are sent by migrant workers back to their families in another country. A $200 remittance incurs an average fee of $14. I mean, imagine that. In a world with supercomputers and fiber optics and the World Wide Web, these companies are just siphoning away 7% from some of the poorest people in the world. Those for whom $14 is going to mean a lot more than it would to people in first world countries. But with Bitcoin Cash, sending money around the world is no different from sending it next door, and each transaction costs less than a cent. That puts billions of dollars back in the hands of people that need it and will spend it in their local economies. Those are two of my favorite examples of how Bitcoin will save us all money and make our lives better. But here are just a couple more. Since Bitcoin is a push system instead of a pull system, you don't have to worry about anything resembling credit card fraud. Payments never require you to send anyone else your private keys, just a transaction signed using those keys. With goods like deeds and titles tokenized on the blockchain, the need for trust is reduced, thereby lowering the cost of transferring ownership of those goods. Since Bitcoin lets you be your own bank, you don't have to worry about bank fees. Maybe banks will even have to pay better interest rates to compete with being your own bank. On a related note, since you're in direct control of your money, nobody can freeze your funds or seize them without your permission. A mob could, of course, threaten to kidnap you and throw you in a cage for not giving them your money, but without access to your private keys, there's nothing they can do to get a hold of it. Finally, since Bitcoin has no central authority or issuer, governments can't print it, making everyone else's money worth less, and then use that money to invade, colonize, or bomb other countries. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to share it on social media, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell icon so that you can get notified when I post new videos. And if you'd like to support this channel, then please consider pledging $1 per month on my Bitbacker page where you can support me using Bitcoin Cash. Thanks very much.